Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Same Apple ID on iPhone and Mac, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on, and iMessage signed in. Once done, open Messages on your Mac, and on the iPhone go to Settings Messages. Make sure Messages in iCloud is enabled on the iPhone so history can sync. Now on the iPhone, tap Text Message Forwarding to see your Mac listed. You're initiating the handoff that allows SMS and iMessage to appear on the Mac. Once you enable text message forwarding, your Mac will display a 4-digit approval code. You need to enter that code on your iPhone to authorize this Mac. This step is crucial for security and message routing. After approval, make sure Messages in iCloud is turned on the Mac too so conversations sync continuously. If you want full continuity, also enable handoff in System Settings and on the iPhone so you can switch devices mid-conversation. These steps link SMS and iMessage streams reliably. You finish by sending a test message from the Mac and asking someone to reply to confirm both iMessage and SMS routing. If you don't see messages, sign out of iMessage on both devices and sign back in, then toggle Messages in iCloud. That often resolves sync locks. Make sure both devices are updated to the latest OS and double-check the Apple ID. A key troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices after toggling forwarding. Authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.